Hello guys! It's Thursday ng hapon. Kakarating lang namin ng bahay galing work. And alis kami guys, punta kami ng Toys R Us. Kasi naka-receive ata sila ng email sa Toys R Us na 50 to 70% off na siya. So diba last time na nagpunta kami, ano lang siya, 20 to 40% off. Ngayon sobrang naka-sale siya guys. And yung pupuntahan namin specifically is yung Babies R Us. Kasi meron kaming mga gustong bilhin para sa baby na wala pa. Para kaming mga buwang. Para talaga kaming mga buwang. Tinawagan niya yung kambal niya guys. Sabi, ano, kung ikaw yung buntis, ganon, ano bibilhin mo, ganon. Binigyan siya ng advice ng ano niya, ng kambal niya. So we will go and buy the stuff that we think we will need. Babe. Yeah, pero wala pa guys ha. Walay pa. Kasi sobrang sale. Sayang eh. Sobrang sale talaga. Up to 70% off. So, tingnan natin. Kasi magkuklose na sila soon. As in, sobrang soon na. Kaya sobrang laki na ng sale nila. Kapag may time and kapag open yung Parafield, punta kami doon. Kasi, text ko yung mga girls kanina. And ano guys, merong mangustin doon. And mas mura siya kaysa sa Central Market. So, Central Market, I think it was $25 yung isang pack. So, Parafield, $20 lang. So, yeah, punta kami doon kung open. Maya-maya. Dito pa yung work bag ko kasi, hindi namin pinasok ng sasakyan. Sa labas lang. Para hindi na naman i-open yung garage. Dito pa yung work bag ko. And dala-dala ko yung, parang crossbody ba? Kasi mas maganda ito guys, yung crossbody lang para makapag-shopping ka talaga ba? Wala kang, hawakan. So, ililipat ko lang yung wallet ko at saka mga kailangan ko. Hala, uy, sana hindi ganun yung traffic. Sana hindi ganun ka-traffic. Ay my gosh, babe, traffic, babe. Ang daming cars, guys. Stop din naman, pero na kasi 4:38 na ng hapon. Yeah, so traffic na siya. I finished at 4:10 kasi today, kasi maaga yung pasok ko this week, 7:30 to 4:10. Thursday is late night shopping as well. So, dito sa Adelaide, is that Australia-wide, babe? The late night shopping on Thursdays?
Yes.
Yeah, Australia-wide. Late night shopping guys sa Thursday. Di ko alam kung bakit Thursday kasi sa nail place ko din, for some reason Thursday matagal din sila nagko-close. So it's really, I don't know, what's with Thursdays, babe?
Why it's late?
Yeah, what's up with Thursday?
I've just always
Why
made
Thursday?
it, that's the day. That's been the day for a long time.
Yeah.
As long as I can remember, it's always been Thursday nights, late night shopping.
Sa lips ko guys, I'm wearing the Sep Beauty na lipstick. Yung ginamit ko is yung shade na Gloomy Nude. Sobrang ganda, diba guys? Walang retouch. As in, wala talaga. Ang ganda niya. I highly suggest na gamitin nyo yung lip sheer kasi nakakatulong talaga siya na hindi mag-dry yung lips. And kaninang umaga pa to ha, 7:30 yung pasok ko. Kumain ako ng snack, nag-snack ako, tapos nag-lunch. And kumain pa ako ng fruit kasi may pa-fruit sa work kanina. And yeah, wala talaga siya oh. Bonggang bongga. Oh, suot ko pala guys. Yung bigay sa akin ni Roslyn, yung may Simply Rhaze. So, ito guys, yung itsura niya. Meron siyang Simply Rhaze. I think may sulat to sa likod. I'm not sure. And I'm just wearing leggings and then my jacket. Uy, babe, in fairness sa weather, it's not too cold anymore. Right?
No, it's getting better.
Yes. What's next? Winter. Spring! Spring is next. I was gonna sing winter, spring, summer, fall. Yeah, spring na guys. Hindi pa, actually. So, when will spring start?
Tuesday.
Babe.
Tuesday.
Oh, August. Yeah, Wednesday. That's Wednesday. Will it start in August?
1st of September.
So September?
Another month.
1 month pa ang spring. Para ka talagang niluluko mo ako ha. Kabata. Dito na kami guys. Japs Cross. Thank you, babe. We're here. We're here. Let's turn and then we're here or we're there. Yun. Hi guys, yung Parafield pala na shopping center magko-close ng 6, so I don't think we will make it para mabili yung mangustin. Sarap pa naman ng mangustin. Oh, careful babe. Malaking truck. Laki. Guys, closing down sale. Oh, are they leaving? Perfect! They're leaving, so we're right in front. Sweet. How busy siya, guys. Perfect parking. As in, pinaka-close. Alright, let's go.
And I had a display one.
Huh? Where's the display? Guys, gusto niya to bilhin. Kot. Mura talagang buang sedan. How big is this? I wanna see. Hey, there's still 4 of them. No one's gonna take 4 now. Can we look at the display? Yeah? Gusto niya talaga bilhin, guys. You can put that in here if you really want it.
This time is...
I'm just thinking of the size of it.
What do you mean? It's 1 meter
Because
high.
I'm really small.
It's 1 meter high.
Okay. Sige. No one's gonna take that away from you. Over, meron pang 3 dito. Wala namang gusto niya na talaga ilagay sa... So what are you gonna do? Mura niya siyang buang do. So you will carry this. Hala, oy, nayabag na. Lagay dito. Ay, guys, hindi ko talaga siya gets. Hindi ko talaga siya gets. Bakit? Sige, meron pa naman 3. Uy, hindi walang bibili nito ngayon, babe. Yeah, it was originally 550, guys. Tapos 275 na lang siya. So, grabe din yung sale. Okay. Babe, seriously? Okay, yeah. Wait. Oh, babe. Okay. Para talaga siyang buang. Tingnan niyo to, guys. Maganda din siya. Changing table siya. Tapos meron siyang mga drawer. It was originally 794. Ngayon 397 na lang. Isn't it too high for me though?
They're all going to be that high. That's what I You can have a look there.
Yeah.
They're all going to be that high.
But yung ano niya, weird.
It's got drawers, which is useful.
I know. Yeah, I know. The drawers will be really useful. Like what? Ganyan. Yun, nah, I don't like that.
Do I?
Yeah, no.
Isn't that way better?
Yeah, that one's way better. But do we?
Wheels, so it stays in one spot.
Yeah, we don't need it now. Oh gosh.
That's a baby jogger.
Baby jogger.
See how I like the wheels?
Yeah. Will you jog with a baby?
No, I wouldn't want it.
Uy, babe, leave this here so we can look around properly. So you don't have to take these.
No.
Guys, gusto niya talaga na
I'm pushing it.
Why?
Jesus Christ.
No one's gonna take.
Trust me, babe.
Walang magnanakaw, promise. No one's gonna take that. Tingnan mo, para kang buang.
Someone will. It'll get to that edging up there, so like in the
Oh, yeah, cool. I didn't see that.
so then like same in the lounge room.
Ano na naman, guys? Coat na naman, pero portable. What? We'll get that? I'm shook.
I'll call that today.
We don't need 2 coats, promise.
This is for when it's bigger. From like 4 to 6 months onwards. This is when it's like a baby which is born.
This is a bassinet. This is not a coat, so this is a whole different thing.
Same thing.
It's not the same. That's a coat. Nah. So you put the baby in there? Nah. Ay, hala na. Close na nila, guys. Close na nila dun. So, wala na yun dun. Close na yun. So, dito na lang. Yun, tingnan nyo. Sabi ng kambal niya, hindi daw namin kailangan. Hindi ko alam kung bakit dadalawa talaga yung coat na bibilin. Parang, ano na ba nangyari sa kanya? Iwan ko sa kanya. High chair. Ah, that looks cute. Isn't that too big? Isn't that too, like, it's taking too much space? Ang laki ng paa niya. How much is it now?
165 and 300.
Okay.
It does like swinging.
Oh, cool.
Transfers high chair to a swing playtime. Top for feeding tray.
So from 329 to 165, guys, yung high chair. That's something we will need. High chair. That's like a high-tech high chair, though.
Yeah.
Look at this Charlie chair.
What is it, kid? It's like
Hey, what is this for? Like, I think
Chucky kids, you don't really like this. You go on this
you can't say that. You can't say that. Some people actually use this, you dumb.
Here we go.
It's
a shower chair.
Oh, see, I told you it's something useful. You put the baby in there, and you shower the baby. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, you want it, don't you?
Nah, how much is it? Nah, too much. From 120.
It'll be 60 bucks.
Yeah, still. Nah, we don't need that.
Nah, I don't need that.
Yeah, nah.
What about that?
I think it's too big. I don't want it to be that big. Like, I think it's taking a lot of space. Like this one, I like this one. It's not taking a lot of space. See?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you think, babe?
It's your call. I don't
Nah.
have to. I'm not loving it, but it might be really good if we just don't know. I'll take a photo of it.
Yeah, no, we don't really know. We do not know anything about this, babe. I do not know why we're doing this, but we're still
We'll
thinking.
come back to it.
We'll come back? Okay.
Come back to that one.
Social kasi siya, guys, kasi pwede siya
We've got a
swing.
few of them there.
Tapos pwede siya pa-music, I think. Kasi may mga buttons siya. Kasi kung may anak ka na, alam mo na kasi kung anong kailangan mo. So, maganda kapag may anak ka na. Kailan kami, hindi namin alam, wala kaming ka-idea. Ano tong nandito? Ito, babe, look at this. A very simple high chair.
Chaka chair.
It's not chaka. Para siyang buang do. Maka-judge siya sa ibang high chair. What's that? Travel bag? Nah. I don't need it. They've got heaps of stuff here. Like, what is this? Oh, the thingy that you put... Oh, no, I don't know. Akala ko ito yung parang... Ano, i-carry mo yung bata sa likod or sa harap ba? Hindi pala yan. Ano to? Milk bar? Babe, look! Guys, ito yung ano, ilalagay mo yung bata dito. Para cushion siya ba? Babe, ganun. Babe, so you take this. So
Is this fun?
you can just put the baby here. Rest the baby.
Oh, yeah.
Feel your arms are not sore.
That's a good idea.
Okay.
This one?
But how much?
Doesn't matter, we'll sort that out later.
Okay. Chuck it in the bag. Oopsie. Here you go. What's that? That one?
I think so. Let's see how much it is.
Okay.
We'll just put it to the pile. How much?
Tingnan nyo to, guys. Pang-cast ng ano mo. Cast siya para i-cast yung baby bump mo. $34. Hala. Baby tykes. Little tykes. I think I'll fit in there. What's that?
It's a video.
Yeah. Stuff like that. I think we will need. Hear every peep and keep. Yeah, we will need stuff like that. To hear the baby. We just do not know which one is a good brand.
Oh, this is a Motorola. That's good. These are good brands. That's Motorola as well. That's good as well.
Parang alam na alam mo Motorola. Dito tayo sa mga bags, guys. And cleaning stuff. Okay. Yung mga ganyan, hindi ko kasi alam. Like that, babe, that's a breast pump. But we do not really know what's a good brand for breast pumps.
Oh, these are all good brands. So I'm
Nah.
serious. Yeah, it's not like a cheap store.
Hala, para saan yan? Parang napaka-medical naman ito. Ano to? Accurate temperature. To get temperature, babe. Oh, that's cute. To get the baby's temperature?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, but it's a flower.
Who cares?
Uy, hindi natin alam kung anong wala pa nga tayong anak.
Like something to protect the flat. So you didn't worry about it. Do you own any of those or not? Did you use any of those?
Akala na talaga siguro nitong kambal niya mantis ako. Ano pinagagawa ito ni Danny Boy? Tinawagan niya to ask about this. Ano to siya guys? Filters water 10 times faster than a kettle, accurate dilution, and then this one is to sterilize the bottles. Yan. Guys, ang ganda nitong quote na
It's better
to.
than our bed.
Sorry?
It's better than our bed.
It's better than our bed. Guys, ang mahal nga lang niya. From 900 to 449. Pero ang ganda niya, ha? Ang cool. I like that, babe. I really like
It's not
that.
the same as Antoinette's, same as Theo's.
Is
That you
it?
guys, yeah. Look at this one. I'll show you.
So, yan. Yung bibilhin namin, ito. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Yan. Yan yung itsura niya, guys.
Like that comes down. It can be like a
bed?
bedded thing.
Ah, okay. So, pwede siya maging bed. Alright. Now, this one, can this be a bed? Wala naman sila kasing picture nito. Pero ang ganda nito. What? What is it?
I reckon it's not white.
Ah. So, they have different colors?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
That's why there's a white one here. I reckon someone's bought the white one. I reckon it's almond. Which means
Okay.
I'll get that.
This one's almond as well.
Yeah, do you reckon that's them in almonds?
Yeah. That one's almond.
But do you reckon that's a colour?
Yeah. Let's see. This is almond, yeah.
Yeah, but is that because that means it's a colour or?
I don't know, babe. How would I know? Guys, binalik namin kasi hindi siya white. Yung natira nila, ano na lang, almond na kulay. So, yung ito maganda sana ito. Kaya lang, hindi siya parang nagiging bed. So, ito nagiging bed siya kasi natatanggal mo to. So, magiging bed siya ng bata. Iyon, yung mas maganda tingnan, mas mahal, kaya lang hindi nagiging bed. Ito naman, maganda siya, guys. So, because we're not buying that quote, let's just buy this.
Oh no, we'll get that today,
Yeah.
yeah.
Bili na lang namin to.
That was good.
I know. That's alright, babe. Let's buy this. Napaka-weird lang ng open niya. Hindi ko alam, ganito talaga to. Kasi kapag nag-stuck siya dun yan. Yeah. Anyway. See, it's weird. Kapag na-stuck siya, na-stuck na siya. Pero maganda siya kasi marami siyang drawers. So, malalagay mo dyan yung mga kailangan ng baby. Charot. Punta kami baby bunting, guys. Walang katao sa baby bunting. Tingnan na namin yung mga prices. Iko-compare lang namin. Yeah, it's dead in here. Walang tao. Yung coat hindi namin nabili kasi walang puti. And gusto namin yung puti. And yung isang coat sana yung bibili namin. Kaya lang hindi siya nagiging bed. And sobrang mahal niya. Grabe. Tumayo kami ni Dan doon. And pinag-isipan talaga namin ng bongga. And yeah, hindi talaga. And yung changing table, guys, na merong mga drawers, maganda sana siya. Kaya lang sobrang...
That's pretty similar.
Yeah, pretty similar. Ano, 548. Yeah, that one's good. Ganito kasi yung kulay. Gusto namin puti. Hindi ko natapos yung sinasabi ko. Yung changing table dun sa ano, Babies R Us, ano, mahaba. Like, ito. See, ang haba niya, guys. Ganun. Dapat yung mababa lang para hindi ako mahirapan. Char. Char. Like, mga ganito. See? Ganitong level lang ba? Twins, guys. Kapag twins, dito yung isa. Dito yung isa. It's not too big. Hindi siya malaki.
Yeah, it's pretty good actually.
Yeah. It's very slim as well. And you can... Bye, babe.
See you later.
Take care of the babies. Bye. Pick up ko lang yung food, guys. Chinese Garden. Nag-order kami ng takeaway kasi wala nang tayo magluto. I'll just pick up my pork, sweet and sour pork. Yeah. And I have money to put in the bank, in the piggy bank. I have coins because I had to pay cash. They don't really take cards there.
They do.
Glad I have cash. No, they do. Minimum $15 and this is only 12.
Ah, bargain.
So yeah, you can't use card. But I have $2 to put in the coin bank.
Okay.
We're home na, guys. Dumaan na kami sa Foodland malapit sa bahay kasi kailangan namin bumili ng drinks. Punta kami kina Lai bukas. Nag-invite si Lai na doon mag-dinner. And then we got this as well, snack para bukas sa kina Lai. And then ito, dadalhin ko to sa work, guys, para snacks ko. Maganda, masarap to, Doritos na crackers. And then meron tayo ditong malaking box, light and easy na dan. Every Thursday yung delivery niya eh. We also got extra, gum, guys. Dito yung phone ko. And the sweet and sour pork. So, iniiba nila, guys, yung pork itself. At saka nandito yung sauce sa kabilang container. Sana may rice akong natira. Gutom na ako. Now kasi na maaga yung tapos ng shift ko. Konti lang yung rice, pero okay lang yan. Hindi to, siya para bukas. So, ito lang, para ngayon lang to dinner. Tapos bukas, magluluto ako para Actually, magluluto na lang ako, para fresh yung rice ko. Kulang to, kulang to. Okay, luto lang ako ng rice. Piniprepare lang ni Dan yung niya, pagkain niya. Ito pala, guys, niluto ko to kagabi. Hindi ko siya niluto. Nilagay ko lang siya sa oven kasi parang cook na siya. Barbecue pork ribs, guys. Binili ko siya sa Coles. So, kung nandito ko sa Australia, available siya sa Coles. Masarap siya, guys, in fairness. 30 minutes mo lang siya ilagay sa oven and masarap siya, as in. Ito yung dinner ko kagabi at saka lunch ko kanina. And, yeah. Mag-haul tayo. Kunti lang, guys, kasi hindi namin nabili yung pinaka-gusto sana namin bilhin, yung coat. Kasi nga, walang white. And gusto talaga namin yung white. Wala. Tsaka yung changing table din, mahaba. Yung mga hindi mahaba, yung sakto lang sana yung height. Wala naman siyang drawer. Gusto namin yung cabinet ba? Merong cabinet. Anyway, we got this nipple wipes. Binili namin tatlong nipple wipes. 50% off to, guys. Lang siya, pang wipe ng nipple kapag nag-breastfeed ka. And then, we also got this. The Motorola na digital video baby monitor. So, ito kailangan talaga to eh. Video siya, tapos audio na din siya. So, maririnig mo yung iyak, tapos makikita mo pa sa video yung bata. So, yan. 50% off din siya, guys. So, we got this for, I think, $90 na lang from $180. And asan na yung iba? Wait. We got this as well. Pang-gift lang sa bata kung sino, hindi ko alam kung sino, pero this was, I think, 50% off as well. So, maybe originally $100, we got it for $50. And then, si Dan nagpunta sa Toys R Us. Di ko alam kung kailan, pero he got this, guys. Pang pool. Di ko alam kung bakit. But this was only $6 for this, babe, each. $6 na lang ata to, guys. Tatlo yung binili niya. Ayan. Ano pa ba yung binili niya? Nagpunta kasi siya, doon na siya lang mag-isa eh. Yun, parang yun lang ata. Ready na yung lunch ko bukas, guys. So, yan. Pork at saka rice. Hindi ko siya i-close kasi yung rice ko kakaluto lang. And then, nandito yung sauce. I'm listening to Jessie Smiles video. Skincare tayo. Naubos na yung aking Neutrogena na wipes. So, balik na ako sa simple ko na may cellular cleansing wipes. Mas maganda pa rin to, guys. Ang dami ko nang ginamit na kapag nakasale kasi yung mga cleansing wipes, I'm not sure if na-mention ko na to sa video, pero kapag nakasale yung cleansing wipe, binibili ko sila kapag hindi ko sila natatry, para lang itry, para maano ko ba kung ano talaga yung gusto ko. And pabalik-balik talaga ako dito, guys. Either itong puti or yung green, yung gusto ko talaga. Ganito na yung itsura ng lips na as in tinanggal talaga natin. Ganyan yung itsura ng So, ganyan siya. Meron pa din siyang tint, guys, ha. In fairness. Oh, tingnan nyo. Meron pa rin tint, no? Yun na, malinis yung mukha. Yun na yung vlog ko, guys. Sobrang salamat for watching. Unexpected na vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo yung vlog. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be goodbye. Good night. Mwah.